Well, all right, we pulled an audible today and decided to come join some fam in Galveston. So we're here at the Rainforest Cafe where they have a whopping hour-and-a-half wait. So we're gonna go on some ride. You can sleep through all of this noise.
You love it. It's a
Monkey fishing. Almost got it.
Rainforest Cafe would like to welcome to Mount Temporary 14.
Hey, all y'all smile. Bye-bye! Josie, look at me. Bye-bye!
Bryson! Time to go eat. He's having flashbacks to Hurricane Beryl. Hey, look who decided to join us.
Hey, Chancy, are you feeding us right now?
Hi, brother! Is that your brother?
Hey, brother. Okay, got a face painted. Bryson. Bryson. Dude. Hey. Hey. Bryson.
It's okay.
Dude. Wow. Everyone's got their face painted.
He likes
What?
He was freaking out over the frog a minute ago.
Yeah.
Like happy.
He likes the frog.
Did you do a video? Yeah.
Hey, lion. The sun's coming out. We're ready to paddle out, dude. Those are surfable. All right, Riser's first time at the beach. Couldn't have picked a better spot than G-Town, holding it down, baby. Bryson, now your first trip to the beach was a beach called Destin, which they say is one of the best waters. Yeah, I think so. Waters in the U.S. What do you think? You like the sand? You're gonna have a lot of fun. Last time you were trying to eat it. Hey, let's go this way. No, not yummy. All right. Nice and breezy. You ready to go play in the water? Okay. We did good. That hotel right there is where Mr. and Trevor and them are staying, and we parked right at the front. Some benefits of it being rainy most of the day. Sun's out. Kind of. Okay, buddy. Go play. What do you think? Well, it's a little cold, isn't it? What do you think? You like the beach? That's some good skimming right here. Uh-oh. You don't like the sand, huh? Well, it's bath night. Riser's first time touching the ocean. Mama made us take off all of our shoes so we didn't lose floating Crocs. Look at all these crabs. San Luis right here. One of the nicest hotels on the island. See that concrete right there? That's a World War II bunker. They had some people here. You like that? Wow, dude. Proud of you. You're not scared at all. This is cool. Woohoo! Woohoo! Big wave. Here's a big one. Oh, you all right? Is that funny? Look at this kid out here fishing. So that's where we just ate, Rainforest Cafe. Stayed here a few times, looks awesome. It's the convention center right there, 61st Street Pier, right here. Macy said she wanted to go out really far. Trevor's right there. Well, they're actually haven't zoomed in. They're a ways away. I'm still here in this high water. So they're out there. There's a couple folks out. They're not as far. Embracing the Gulf. Daredevils by heart. I haven't seen any jellyfish. That's a good thing. Or anything other. Sharks or whatever. There's probably some stingrays around here somewhere. The jellies are here, I'll tell you that. It's not mating season, but it's still warm. Alright, sandcastle time. Yeah, I just see like head floating up there. They're way out That's a good way out. Uh-oh. They've got the attention of the lifeguard. Still in the boat. What you think, buddy? You have a good time? Have fun? You look like you're relaxing now.